Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add videos on your YouTube channel to playlists in the YouTube Studio application. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your YouTube channel, log into your account and click into your channel profile icon in the top right corner and head over to YouTube Studio here. Inside YouTube Studio guys, let me just go back to the previous menu, head over to the content tab here on the left, and what you want to do after that guys is go through your video library and decide which video you would like to add to your playlist. One option how you can do it guys is simply by selecting the given video here on the left by clicking into the given videos checkbox. That is going to open up that menu here at the top. So from here, click into add to playlist and select one of the playlists that are already online and created on your channel by clicking into the given playlist checkbox. If you'd like to create a new one, click into new playlist here, new playlist below, and create a new playlist. Add a name here, the visibility status, and so on and so forth. You may describe it also, and that's one way. The other option guys would be to simply enter the given video's editing. To do that, click on that pencil icon here next to the given video. After that, scroll down a bit till you get to playlist and click into that select box here and choose one of the aforementioned playlists or create a new one. And that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.